Some microorganisms can cause disease by growing in or on our body. The most common microorganisms that cause disease are viruses and bacteria. Bacteria are microscopic, single-celled living organisms. Viruses are much smaller, non-cellular, and can only survive and reproduce inside other living cells. Bacteria and viruses are all around us. They can enter the body in many different ways, such as through the nose, mouth, eyes, or wounds in the skin. Once inside the body, these microorganisms cause disease by invading body cells, reproducing, and releasing toxins. Our body has specialized cells that fight off these invaders. These specialized cells belong to the immune system, an intricate web of different cells and chemical messengers which work together to rid the body of foreign invaders. T cells can directly attack and kill infected cells, activate other cells in the immune system, and interact with and regulate B cells. When a disease-causing microorganism attacks the body, specialized white cells called B lymphocytes make antibodies. Antibodies are proteins that bind to the invading organism and stop it being able to reproduce or invade cells. The organism is then unable to continue infecting the body or causing disease. Antibodies are very specific. A particular antibody will only react with a particular component of an organism. Sometimes, the body makes enough antibodies to repel the invaders completely. The first wave of antibodies made is the primary response. Sometimes, the body can't make enough antibodies. The body can't defend itself adequately, and the person gets sick. In both cases, a group of cells is primed to remember that particular microorganism again. When the microorganism tries to invade a second time, these primed cells pump out antibody more quickly and in greater quantities. This is called the secondary response. This level of antibodies is usually enough to stop the person getting sick again. If they do get sick, the disease is usually milder. Vaccines are made of killed microorganisms, pieces of microorganisms, or live microorganisms that have been changed so they can no longer cause the disease. These microorganisms can trigger a protective response. They provoke a primary response, but more importantly, they prime a group of antibody-making cells to remember the invader. When the real disease-causing microorganism is encountered, the body is primed to pump out antibodies, which will stop the person getting sick.